Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the client so changes stick. Close Roblox fully and sign out online. Once done, back up your local settings folder or note important toggles so you can revert if needed. Now launch the Roblox client as administrator. This avoids permission issues when saving configs. Open the gear menu and choose settings immediately. You do this because many problems stem from permission conflicts or corrupted local files. Taking these steps first prevents repeat work later. You'll now change the core settings that usually cause problems. In Settings, set graphics mode to automatic for most systems, or manual if you need specific frame rate or texture control. This fixes rendering stutters. Make sure voice chat and privacy match your account level so features aren't blocked. Next, disable overlays from third-party apps because they conflict with rendering and input. Finally, reset network options. Clear your DNS cache and confirm UDP is allowed so matchmaking and asset streaming work reliably. Finish by applying changes and restarting the Roblox client, then test by joining a simple, low-latency server to verify fixes. If issues persist, reinstall the client but preserve your user data or explicitly delete cache folders to force a clean config. This resolves corrupted files. Make sure Windows Firewall or antivirus isn't blocking Roblox executables. One key troubleshooting tactic. You can inspect the client logs in app data for error codes and timestamps. Those entries point directly to the failing subsystem and speed up diagnosis.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.